Hey guys, thank you for coming back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna, well, over the next couple days actually, I'm gonna be working on doing all the piping for the intercooler. A lot of it's gonna have to be custom made, so gonna have to go through all that. I'm gonna hook up some blow off valves, and I'm moving the location. They actually use different flanges, so it's all gonna be custom work. But I want to put them up top because they look really cool as well. But first, I want to give you a quick rundown on this intercooler. So I kind of showed you it in one of the last videos, maybe the last video. But yeah, this is R35 cores made by Greddy. So Greddy makes, well, a couple intercoolers for the R35 GTR, and this is one of their versions of it. You can tell actually, if you look at the side. Alright, I don't know what that was about. Moving on. Alright, so if you look at the side here, you can kind of see, because it's an older unit, well, I don't know, that can't be that old, but it was sitting outside for a long time, so the aluminum has just corroded a little bit, or anodized, I don't know what the term is. But you can see the circle here where the fitting used to come out, and they custom changed it up and custom fit new inlets and outlets, and you can actually see that the time that was put into this first, like obviously all the work to do the inlets and outlets. But so the top here, like this is 2 tubes, and to like get that, grind that all smooth and polish all up, like that's a lot of work. But someone obviously clearly took a lot of time, a lot of effort to make this a beautiful piece and to run it. And all the piping obviously is custom and fits really well. You'll see more of that obviously through the video, but yeah, I wanted to show you guys this really quick. I love it. It's super cool. It was a great buy. I think it was from a flood car, because there's a lot of crap in it actually. One of the end tanks is slightly cracked, so I'm gonna get that repaired. Yeah, I think it was, yeah, a flood car filled up with water, probably froze. That's how it cracked. So I'm gonna have to do a good flush with it and everything. But I mean, for the deal I got because of that, obviously, you know, it cracked the end tank, pretty dirty. It was really cheap. So, and they had no idea what it was online. They just basically said intercooler, came off 300ZX, crap, junk, broken. So I got a great deal on it, and we're gonna bring her back to life, and we're gonna use her again. She's gonna go service. We're gonna see how she does. This is gonna be a good one. Hopefully today. Hopefully lots of good stuff you guys watch. Yeah, it's gonna be custom piping, and we're gonna see her come together. And hopefully by the end of this, we're gonna see have the end in sight and see what she's gonna look like, and getting close to the end. I got more projects coming up. I don't think I'm going to tease any of them today. I might stick around just in case I do. Actually, I will. Why not? At the end of this video, I'm going to tease some upcoming projects, so make sure you stick around for that. You're not going to want to miss it. Not going to want to miss it. But yeah, can you guys all just quickly subscribe to my channel, leave a like. It helps me out a ton, and trying to build this channel a little bit to keep going. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep doing this stuff and not going to show any of you. So yeah, you guys can give me a like, give me a subscribe, follow along. Hey, leave me a comment. That'd be great. trying to get a little bit done every day, but hoping to get a whole bunch of the piping done today, a bunch of the custom stuff between the turbos and the intercooler, the piping that I do not have, and that obviously doesn't work with the kit from the Greddy kit and doesn't work with the custom intercooler piping, so gonna try to match those up today. You can see on my my kind of work area that I got like all my spare piping and tubing and couplers out, trying to figure it all out, but I think I have a decent plan for some of it. I got to figure out a bunch more still, but that's how it goes. So we're gonna see if we can get most of this sorted today. Maybe all of it. If we get all of it done, I'll be super happy. But yeah, I'm gonna get the welder out. Set the welder up. Unfortunately, I don't have a spool gun for my welder, so it's gonna be all steel. But hey, what do you do? A lot of it is aluminum, but just a couple little sections are gonna be steel. But hey, if you guys keep watching these videos and liking and buying some t-shirts and everything, then hopefully one day I'll be able to afford a spool gun and then I can redo all this. But yeah, we're gonna keep going. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it. The car is a little bit of a mess right now, as you can see, but I think I got all the piping sorted. I threw some paint on a couple of pieces that were just raw steel. And I'm going to start assembling really quick here, but that'll be, well, for me right away here, but for you next time. But like I said, I would tease a project. Actually, let me open the garage door. Alright, so I thought I won't tease just one, but I'll tease two projects, obviously. I'm sure you guys have always seen that gold car in the background. Yeah, we got plans for that. I got a bunch of different plans, but it'll be a very different build than this black car, and eventually I will sell it. Well, probably. The plan is right now to sell it. The plan always changes, but that's going to be a really fun build. And once we get this black car done, we're going to get working on that right away too. And I want to show you one other project. This is way different from the 300s. I'm not going to say too much about it, but you know, use your imagination if you know what it is. It's yeah, way out of my element here. But we're gonna have some fun, see what we can do, and we're gonna try to make a really good project out of that. Yeah, hopefully you know what it is. If not, oh, we got good things in store.